Yo, what is up guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this quick and short video I'm going to be talking about Snapchat plus priority replies. What are they and how do you get them? Okay, so as you know, or you may not know, Snapchat released something called Snapchat Plus, and now they have a couple of new features, I believe 4 new features that they've added to their Snapchat Plus, and one of them is priority replies. So what exactly is priority replies? As you can see here in this article, which is linked up in the description, priority story replies that will boost their replies to stories from celebrated creators, aka Snapchat stars. Okay, so what this is going to allow you to do is, if you're sending a Snapchat story to like a celebrity account, what's going to happen is you can see replies will surface above replies from free users. So if you have Snapchat Plus and you send a story to like a celebrity, then your reply is going to be in the top compared to the free users, and that's one way of how you can get noticed by celebrities or famous creators. And that is what exactly Snapchat Plus priority replies are. Then they released a couple of other features which I won't be going on in this video, but that's just to talk about priority replies. If you're someone that's interested in getting the attention of celebrities, then this is something that you might be interested in. I'm not too sure if it will actually work that well, because you know celebrities get like thousands and thousands of DMs per day, but it's worth a shot if you have Snapchat Plus. When Snapchat Plus gets released for my country, I will do a demo of how that would work. So I hope this helped. If it did, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.